The Fanno Creek Trail is one of Tualatin Hills Park and Recreational District's most used trail systems, serving people interested in recreation, nature exploring, or non-motorized transportation corridor. The popular Fanno Creek Trail includes 4.5 miles of ADA-accessible trail that meanders through southwest Portland communities. Along its length, the Fanno Creek Trail passes through forests, wetlands, and a variety of parks, making it a great destination for walking, running, biking, recreation, and wildlife viewing. The Fanno Creek Trail is mostly flat, allowing young bike riders a welcoming place to learn or practice their riding. Access to the trail can be found in numerous places, such as street crossings and neighborhood connections, as well as several parks. The Vista Brook Park is right next to my house, features a tennis and basketball courts, as well as newer playground structures and a pond overlook. Wildlife viewing opportunities abound along the Fanno Creek Trail, from native Pacific tree frogs in wetlands to active beavers in the creek. Red-tailed hawks can be seen overhead as they search for prey, while great blue herons and great egrets are a common sight at Cole Center wetlands. The Tualatin Hills Park and Recreational Natural Resources Department regularly restores and cleans up natural area sites along the trail, with volunteers participating in invasive species removal, native planting, and work to fix stream bank erosion. The Fanno Creek Trail system is used throughout the year in all weather conditions and is a vital resource for the community.